If your Hyundai Elantra is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. The good news is that 85% of these connectivity issues are caused by simple software glitches or faulty cables. Let's walk through the exact diagnostic process to get your screen mirroring working again. Start with a hard reset of the head unit using the pinhole button located near the volume or tuning knobs. If the reset fails, the most common culprit is a low-quality or damaged lightning cable that cannot handle data transfer. On your phone, ensure that Siri is enabled and that CarPlay is allowed to run while the screen is locked. Wired connections usually suffer from physical hardware failure, while wireless issues are almost always related to signal interference. Nearly half of all reported Elantra CarPlay errors are solved simply by switching to an official Apple-branded cable. For persistent issues, delete the pairing from both the car and the phone before attempting a fresh handshake. Keep these 3 tools in your glove box to solve connection drops while you are on the road. If your phone isn't even charging when plugged in, you likely have a blown fuse in the driver's side panel. With these steps, your Elantra should be back online. Hit subscribe for more quick automotive tech fixes.